Time to talk more about supercharging your sales with System Surveyor. We've talked about how you can use System Surveyor to visually collaborate with your customer and get aligned on the right plan to address their concerns. And most likely, you will be working with other people, both inside and outside your company, as you confirm your product selection and installation. Whether you're handing off the project to someone to assist with a proposal, or you want to consult with someone outside your company about the design or cost. A very popular use is to share the design and the photos with an installation contractor, so they can bid on the work without even having to go to the site. System Surveyor can make this easy and save you time. Here's how it works. As soon as you leave the customer site, review your system design one more time. You may decide to release the edit controls so others on your team will be able to edit the survey themselves. Then tap the sync button on your tablet to upload the survey information to the System Surveyor cloud. This will take a minute or two, and it will include your system layout along with all of the photos that you took along the way. Gone are the days of uploading photos from your phone in order to share them with colleagues. Now that the survey information is available on the cloud, there's a few different ways that you can securely share it with others to get them involved with the project. First, anyone on your System Surveyor team account will be able to view the survey, see your layouts as well, and the photos you captured, along with any of the products that you've assigned to the elements. They will have all the information they need to review and work on the survey. They can make changes or add important details such as cable paths or accessories to the elements. A second option is to use our Send a Link function. You will be prompted for an email of the person you would like to access the survey. You can also set an expiration date for when you want the link to expire. Click Send and a web link of the survey and a security code will be sent via email to that person. It's quick and easy. There's no requirement for them to register with System Surveyor. The link will allow them to view the survey and the element information, including the photos, without making any changes. The third option for sharing a survey is our very popular guest user feature. This feature is available only on our Scale and Enterprise plans. It must be done from the web interface. To add a guest user, navigate to the site in the System Surveyor interface, and then edit or add a contact. You can make this contact a guest user with the ability to view or edit your survey. Any changes they make are instantly available to you, so share this with your manufacturing partners, subcontractors, or even your customer. Take advantage of our powerful collaboration features to keep your customer opportunity on track and make sure everyone is literally on the same page. Until next time, happy surveying.